Whatever that is, and then we're going to add stories. Whatever's going on in this barrier is causing what's going to be called cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance, because we start going in here, and this situation sets up the belief that what's above here is not available to us, and that we're trying to go anyway. And as we're trying to go into that to get above it, the cognitive dissonance kicks in, and then it creates this feeling of anxiety. On top of that, anxiety and excitement have sort of the same signature. You want to learn to discern the difference, because otherwise what happens is anxiety, that feeling of anxiety, even though it's the excitement that you get, and anybody who does public speaking will tell you, we all get butterflies, but the idea is to get the butterflies flying in formation. So again, we labeled it. Once you label it, you get the butterflies flying in formation, and now you can use and leverage that excitement rather than thinking it's anxiety. Because if you look at anxiety, then you trigger off a whole nother set of neuron firing, which goes into catastrophizing and all the things that could go wrong and what you forgot and what you didn't do. And then you start catastrophizing because you perceived the cognitive dissonance as anxiety. And so you started looking for what could be wrong. And the unconscious is wonderful about answering our questions, even though it doesn't have an answer. It's going to give you an answer. And if you say, what's wrong? Why am I feeling anxious? Oh, all this stuff comes up. Next thing you know, you've got this anxiety.